Hello everyone. In this video we will see the next part from software testing. The two main difference, first verification and validation, and the second difference between quality assurance and quality control. So let us start with the difference between verification and validation process. In last video we have already seen what is verification method and what is validation method. So in this video we will differentiate both the methods. Verification is the process of confirming that something, that is software system, meets its specification. Whatever the content written in specification documents, whether it achieves or not, that process, that way is known as verification. Whereas in validation, it is the process of confirming that it meets the user's requirement. Whether your product system meets the user requirement or not, that process is known as a validation. Verification is a static process of verifying documents, design, code and program. Whereas in case of validation, it is a dynamic mechanism where you are actually going to execute your software, your program, and test whether it meets the user's requirement or not. As the verification is static process, it does not involve execution of code. Whereas in case of validation, as it is a dynamic mechanism, it involves execution of code. Verification uses the different methods such as inspection, reviews, walkthrough, desk checking. Whereas under validation, we are going to perform multiple methods like black box testing, gray box testing, white box testing, etc. Verification is done by development team to provide that the software is as per the specification in software requirement specification document, whereas validation is carried out with the involvement of clients and testing team. Verification is a human-based checking of documents and files, whereas validation is computer-based execution of program. In case of verification, it can catch errors that validation cannot catch, whereas in case of validation, it can catch errors that verification cannot catch. Verification is a low-level exercise, whereas validation is a high-level exercise. In verification method, target is requirement specification document, your application, software architecture, design document and database design. Whereas under validation, your target is actual product, a unit, a module or the final product. Verification generally comes before validation, whereas validation follows after verification. This is what the basic difference between verification and validation activity. Now move towards the next difference, that is quality assurance and quality control. In last lecture we also seen what is quality assurance and what is quality control. Now in this lecture we'll summarize the difference between quality assurance and quality control. So what is quality assurance? It is an act of giving confidence, the state of being certain or the acts of making certain. It gives us the confidence that our product follows the quality manner. Whereas under quality control, it is an evaluation to indicate needed corrective responses. The act of guiding a process in which a variability is attributable to a constant system of chance causes. Quality assurance defines the standards, methodologies to be followed in order to meet the customer's requirements, whereas quality control ensures that the defined standards are followed at every step of software development lifecycle. In general, the quality assurance activities are done before the product is manufactured or the service is delivered to the end user, whereas the quality control activities are done during the manufacturing process and once the product is manufactured. It is a continuous process. Quality assurance makes sure that you are doing the right things in a right way, whereas quality control makes sure that the result of what you have done are what you have expected. Quality assurance is the planned and systematic activities implemented in a quality system so that quality requirements for a product or service will be fulfilled, whereas quality control is the observation techniques and activities used to fulfill requirements for the quality product. I hope you understand better the difference between verification and validation and quality assurance and quality control. Thank you.